Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to get this dirt dug out of here and it'll connect to some of my tunneling I did a month or two ago underneath the bathroom. And I'm going to dig it out, and before I do that, I'm going to strategically support this wall. There's a 4x6 right here that's load bearing for this wall, which is, this wall is load bearing to the second story. And the wall for a room above, and the ceiling, of course, above the second floor. So I want to make sure to get it supported temporarily so that I can start digging out these old supports, get them out of the way, and then that way I can end up with two main supports off of these 4x6s. And I'm going to install a beam, a 6x6 beam underneath this 4x6 that will mate up to the end of these 4x6s here. I'm going to do that for this full span of this wall, and so I'm going to try to get it. Done today. I'm just going to try to work consistently and try not to let the heat get to me. So, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Help us get to 500 subscribers. And as soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. Here we go. Enjoy the clip. Hey everybody, Bigfoot here. So I'm gonna make that a wrap for the day. As you can see, I was able to break through into this little tunneled section. Behind the camera is where I was doing all that plumbing work. I've got water lines up here, and this is where I'm gonna install that beam tomorrow. So I got my my beams in here. I got my tools to get those cut, and then I've got my stuff in here still to get my new concrete footing put in. And so, but I'm running out of day. I still got to clean up and eat dinner, so I'm going to go ahead and call it. But if you've enjoyed today's video, enjoyed seeing me dig more, make sure to smash that likes button, subscribe, and make sure to share out to anybody who you think might enjoy this. Help us get to 500 subscribers. And other than that, if you have questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. And if you want to see some different kinds of videos with a little bit more story behind some of what we're doing out here at the property, let me know, and I'll do some of those videos as well. So other than that, that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the clips. Bigfoot out.